जय हिंद दोस्तों, welcome to our YouTube channel NIUN's Law Essential. Myself Harshdeep from Noida International University. Me and my team will explain topics related to law on this channel. It is our first video and topic of our video is essential elements of valid contract. And we will discuss section 10 of Indian Contract Act in this lecture. Before going to section 10, we will know about definition of agreements and contract. Meaning of agreement. Every promise or set of promise forming consideration for each other is called agreement. Here we have used the word consideration. It simply means something in return. We will understand it with the help of example. Suppose I took a pen of rupees 5 from shopkeeper. So that rupees 5 is consideration for shopkeeper and the pen is consideration for me. Now we come to contract. Contract is the agreement enforceable by the law. It means agreement which is accepted by the law or law has force on it is known as contract. After it, we come to section 10. Section 10 of Indian Contract Act says that there are 6 essential elements for valid contract, and those are: first, agreement; second, free consent; third, competency of parties; fourth, lawful consideration; fifth, legal object; sixth, not expressly declared to be void. Now we'll discuss them one by one. So first is agreement. Agreement is outcome of offer and acceptance. There should be offer and that offer should be accepted by party to whom offer is made. We take an example. Suppose A offers to B to sell his car for rupees 5 and the offer is accepted by B. Then it will be agreement between them. Now we come to second point of section 10, that is free consent. Consent means sahmati in Hindi. So section 14 of Indian Contract Act says that consent is said to be free if it is not caused by the following points. First, coercion, which is discussed under section 15. Second, undue influence, which is discussed under section 16. Third, fraud, which is defined under section 17. Fourth, misrepresentation, which is defined under section 18. Fifth, mistake, which is defined under section 20, 21 and 22. These all sections will be explained later in some other videos, as our main topic is section number 10. Now we come to third point of section 10, that is competency of parties. It is also called capacity of parties to do contract. In this section 11 says that every person is competent to contract who is of the age of majority according to law which he is subject and who is in sound mind and is not disqualified from contracting any law to which he is subject. In simple words, following persons are incompetent to contract. First, minors; second, person of unsound mind; third, person disqualified by the law. After it, we come to fourth point of law, that is lawful consideration. It is defined under section 2D in Indian Contract Act, which simply means something in return. I have explained this in the starting of video with example. Section 25 also make reference with consideration. It says that agreement without consideration is void, means agreement without consideration is null and not accepted by the law. We will discuss exceptions under section 25 and consideration later in some other videos. Now we come to section 5th of point number 5th of section 10, that is legal object. In this section 23 renders certain consideration and object as unlawful, which we will discuss later in some other videos. Next and last essential element of valid contract are agreements expressly declared to be void. There are certain agreements that have been declared void by the law. For example, agreement for meaning which is uncertain, section 29. Contingent contract, section 36. Agreement to do impossible act, section number 56. These three are just example of agreements expressly declared to be void. There could be more. Now we have studied section 10 of Indian Contract Act. We will discuss some other things like free consent, consideration and capacity to do contract in separate videos. So that's all from today's lecture. If you liked our video, then don't forget to hit like button. Encourage us by commenting in comment section. Also share with your friends and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you so much.